Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another Tajweed tips and tricks tutorial. In this lesson we're looking at page 2 of the Safar Abridged Qa'idah, which is mixed alphabet. So moving on from the alphabet in the correct order that we did last lesson, by now inshallah you've had some practice, so the letters have been mixed up here, and the idea is that you go through and familiarize yourself with the recognition of the letters and also the correct pronunciation. So we'll go through this page inshallah, starting with box number 1. Ha, Mim, Tha, Lam, Jim, Ta, Dhal, Za, Sin, Sad. And box number 11 now. This is Qaf, Dad, Kha, Va, Ghain, Ta, Noon, Waw, Fa, Ya. And the last two lines, box 21 here, this is Hamza, Kaf, Dal, Alif, Ra, Sheen, Va, Ain, Ba, Ha. Okay, it's a very short lesson today. Just familiarizing ourselves with the letters before we move on to looking at I think the next page is pretty much the same thing, but there's a lot more letters that we're going to go through. So inshallah, see you in the next lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.